Everybody has a flashlight, but can your flashlight fit in your pocket, light up the night super bright, and even save your life in an emergency? This one can. Nick Bolton here to tell you about the newest tac light innovation, the Bell Howell Tac Pen. That's right, we made a tac light the size of a pen, yet without sacrificing any features. Visible up to 2 nautical miles away, has a disorienting defensive strobe, zooms in to focus its beam wherever you want, and won't quit even in the most bitter cold or extreme heat. And yes, it survived getting run over by my Humvee. Try that with a regular flashlight. That's not all. Because it's so slim, it's easy to take with you. And it has a few new features you'll love, like an emergency escape tool that can shatter glass. Now that's what I call military tough. It even has a built-in multi-tool for quick fixes. And oh yeah, it's actually a working pen. So let's review. The Bell & Howell Tac Pen has all the great features of our tac light. The same durability you come to expect. Clips to your pocket so you can take it anywhere, can help you make quick repairs or break a window in an emergency. It even functions like a regular pen. I mean, there's just nothing like it on the market today. The Bell & Howell Tac Pen.